Hello from Slovenia again. Happy Easter, and probably I'm the last one of big extravaganza pour for this Easter 2021. And my fellow artist in this collaboration, Sarah Mack, Mina Villegas, Masse Art Studios, and Kathleen from Cos Creations did their extravaganza pours already, so don't forget to check them out. They had a big egg that I couldn't buy, so I thought, okay, I will do a smaller one or two, and I already did some of them. I did this one with the colors that are left from Marina's baby shower party, and this one was with some leftovers, fluorescent ones. And I did, this one with colors that I used a lot lately, and this is basically just dipping your egg into your paint on, just dip, and then these patterns stretch, but not as much because it is it's not a lot of paint. So and I have two here that I didn't like when I do them, so I thought, okay, let's try another color palette maybe. So I will just add some pearl white here on the table, and some greenish blue that I have here, and some permanent blue violet. These are just paints left from some of my pours, and some gold, iridescent precious gold, and some red violet, and iridescent blue-green, maybe a little more pearl white. We will see. So I will just grab one of those that I didn't like because they are just not my colors, or how can I say, or it's just not what I hoped. And I will just dip and roll maybe a little bit my egg into this paint. You don't need to go all over, to the bottom, because it will flow down. So I will just add a little paint just to help, just dipping some paint on the egg. Hope that you can see. I will just add some paint and do one more because I like this, and I will start maybe with a little more of this darker kind of colors, because I still have this kind of lilac thing on the table. Now I will add some pearl white. blue-green and permanent blue-violet. I like this technique because there is not so much paint on it like if you would just pour on the egg or 3D object. It's a lot more paint and it's more likely that you will lose the designs that you like, so you have to have this in mind. I really like those two. I will just put this one like this, that it will not be, you know, just right here. And I will wash my hands and take you for a close-up. So here they are. I'm pretty sure that this will not change a lot more. It will, but not as much, because when you dip, not just pour on your object, it's not that much paint and gravity will not, you know, constantly. It will, but not as much. As you can see that it's not as much. And I will say that I love these two. So don't forget to check other artists of Big Extravaganza pours. Happy Easter and see you on the next one. Bye.